about you? Can we make some noise for Nate? Monster Jam fans, I'm hanging out over here because I want to do something with the whole arena. This is called the Monster Jam Wheel of Kings. So on the count of three, you're going to say spin that wheel. Spin that wheel as loud as you can on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, snap. Oh, it's the flex cam. Hold on a second. It's the flex cam. So many of you are too strong. I'm intimidated, so you know I'm a little intimidated. But we're gonna do this again on the count of three. Spin that wheel, super easy. 1, 2, 3. Spin
What do we got?
I don't.
Lights up, Cleveland. And 10. Up. 10. Follow the beat. Up. 10. Up. 10. You got it. Cleveland, this is the pinnacle of the event. This is Monster Jam Freestyle. Let's get those sharp jaws in the air for John Zimmer in Megalodon. QR code is up. Scoring is open.
John Zimmer in Megalodon kicking off freestyle, reminding the rest of the competition he's been here the longest. He's kicking off freestyle, fills the clock, takes advantage of multiple obstacles out on that course with clean execution. That's the type of machine control that we are looking from the entire series here. You got your scores locked in. Let's check it out. John Zimmer in Megalodon earns here in the freestyle competition a 7.509. Remember, Monster Jam fans, you can have a say in judges.com. One competitor down here in freestyle. You get a little bit of a taste of what we're going to